Are you guys able to see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So we have these all teams, like we have divided the interested candidates into teams, and we have assigned one team leader. So the responsibility of this team leader is to align everyone and get all things completed, right? And then we have the project, like the team would be working on this project. So now the team consisting of Rohit, Virendra, Prashant, Priyanka, and Pamjit, and the team lead is Rohit. The project assigned is car dealership management. Right? So same, I'll share this link or this talk with you all where you would see which team you are associated with and who is your team lead. Or it is not like a lead would be responsible for only task management, or it is like someone who would take an initiative and focus on the project implementation. Also, there are submission details like you need to submit this project document before 25th on this email address. Now, how would be the structure? Let's talk about now. I'll like Ajay would explain you how the structure would be. Right. Ajay, you need a minute. Like people, guys are joining. We'll wait for a minute and then.
Yeah.
Okay, Ajay, we can start now. So, guys, uh, now we would be showing how the project document would work. So, this is a doc, like you would be creating this doc for the project you have been assigned. Like for car dealership management, what things would be necessary, what objects would be created, what fields would be created. This is your, you would be creating something, a document of this, and then it would be sent for approval on this email address. So Ajay will tell you the details how the doc would be created. Ajay, please.
Okay. Hello, team. Basically, what you have to do, simple, whatever the project assigned to you, first, all of you, that means within a team, you need to analyze the things. That means what is your project topic and what is the expected output you are going to create. So first you need to create a documentation for that. That means you need to define what is your project and what are all the input and output is required to perform a particular task in a given project. That means you need to define the total number of object you are going to create, right? The total number of tab, what is the name of your app that you are going to create, right? And you need to define what kind of relationship you are going to create between the object. That means it is a master detail relationship or simple relationship, right? You need to define the concept that you are going to implement over there, right? And something like that. That means you need to first complete define your project, right? In such a way, first you need to define what is the what you are going to give the app name. The second, the objects you are going to create over there, right? And you need to define the relationship and the fields that you are going to create, right? And reports you are going to create over there, right? And finally in the dashboard, which reports or data you are going to show over there so that any user is directly access data over there, right? Similarly, the users roles and permissions that need to be created, right? So these things you need to write create a document and share with Amrut, so that we can first analyze the things. If there is any input required, so we provide you inputs, right? And then after that you can start working on that and complete your projects. And in between, if you find any help or you require any help, right, then you can directly contact with us, and we just provide you some inputs, and you are able to complete your project on time, right?
Lel ma.
So everyone now able to access their team members and the project assigned, right? So now this is the responsibility of the lead, project lead, uh, to start the things and coordinate with their team and divide the work, right? So that they can easily complete the things. So before starting the project, you need to submit that particular documentation that basically show the complete story, that what you are going to create over there, right?
ఆడికి వచ్చి హాస్పిటల్ ఎంత వచ్చిందండి ఛాన్స్ లెటర్ మీట్ లో.
So, Amrut, can you please share the email ID so that they can easily note down your email ID and provide the documentation in your in your email ID.
Yes, I'll ping it over chat.
Okay. So please give a last date so that they can submit their documentation, right? And we provide some feedback or inputs, and then after that they can start project on that.
Yes, so I have mentioned all the things in here. So you have the project doc template. Like now, I'll just define the things. So we have this is an example thing like a Salesforce leads management system. You're able to share. Okay, sorry. So project is like Salesforce leads management system, and in here the description of it and whatever things are required like fields, objects to create these system that is lease management, whatever things are required would be defined in this template or this document, like objects, what are the relationships, reports. So it would be an overall structure so that now with the help of this template you can add on things if you want. With help of this template you would be creating a structure of a project or a structure of the app you are going to develop, right? That is what we allocated in this project allocation sheet, wherein you have the details of team members and a person who has taken an initiative to organize, to manage, and to be on timelines. So the timeline for this submission is like before 25th, you have ample of days. Everyone is on Telegram. You can form a group on your own with a team member with the project name, and then you can create things, or you can reach me out if you have any doubt, anything, right? You need to send it on my email address. That is, I've also pinned that into the chat, and I'll upload this recording on YouTube as well, so that it would be easier for everyone to access and understand. Now, let's move on to questions. I think there would be many of those. Yes, I would be sharing this entire list. It would be link. The link would be shared on our Telegram group. So this is a read-only document that you can always access. Right? Any other doubts? Any other questions?
Amit, I'm just wondering where my name is,
Uh,
as my name even is Rohit.
I
Okay,
think
no
I
worries.
have
I'll
in the
just
list
find it.
like this. We have around 11 teams, so you
Yeah,
will have your names on the teams, right?
awesome. Yeah, thank you. No, this is great to start with.
Yeah. So anything? You can reach me out on my email address or on Telegram. Right? So, any questions? Okay, I think we are good. If you don't find your name, ping me.
Yeah,
Okay.
it would be great if there is some mail IDs or something.
Yeah, I have already. I'm on Telegram. You can find me in the group. How to? The question is like how to reach out with team members. Now, these are all from Telegram group, so you can find your team members over there.
Simply what each team member need to do, they need to contact their lead directly with the help of Telegram, so that they can easily coordinate with each other.
Okay, I have added the names. See, I think Sumi, you are on the list. Yeah,
Sorry, I didn't find it. No?
yeah, yeah. Yes. What you'll get this link.
Okay.
Review this. If you don't, if your name is not in here, we can create one more team
Uh,
and assign one more project.
Thanks. I have seen my name.
Okay. Okay. Again, I'm getting three names. Hold on. So I've added names. I am sure I will be receiving more, and I'll create a new one, like a new team, and assign one new project to it. So apart from names, anything, any question on this structure or on anything, like you can reach out to your team members. You can find a team member name and you can reach out in on Telegram because all of the names are from Telegram. Right? I think that's it for now. So is it two times? Okay. So you are in here. Yeah. Just found you. Done. Okay. I think that's it for today then. We'll stop here. Send me the docs before 25th on the email address. Okay, guys. I'll
Thank
stop
you.
this share.